Hi everyone, this is Simran from Pink and Lime. We are back once again with ready-to-wear festive collection for this Karwa Chauth and Diwali season. These are soft muslin fabrics, modal fabrics, cottons, lurex cotton, which are easy on maintenance, easy on your pocket, and they look nice, bright and festive. Let's get started for today. The first style that we have for today is this muslin coordinate. It's a 3-piece set, ready to wear in sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44. It has this beautiful thread work on the neck finished with gota detailing. It has 3/4 sleeves. The length of the kurta is also decent. It is teamed with straight fit muslin cotton pants, which are again a soft fabric, and the dupatta is this beautiful chanderi printed dupatta in soft chanderi. This particular set is priced at 1895. Size 38 to 44 is available. The second style that we have is also a muslin coordinate, priced again at 1895. With this kind of a embroidered neckline. It has barik sequence embroidery and thread work with gota detailing. The sleeves are also nicely finished with 4 lines of gota. It has straight fit muslin cotton pants and a beautifully printed soft chanderi dupatta. The length of the kurta is also decent and priced at 1895, size 38, 40, 42 and 44. The third style for the day is the third muslin coordinate. Since Karwa Chauth is around the corner, so this is one of our favorites for today. It's on a soft muslin fabric on a beautiful fiery red color, with little bit of hand embroidery on the neck. There is thread embroidery, there is kaddana and gota work. It has straight fit muslin cotton pants to go with it and a beautifully printed muslin dupatta. Priced again at 1895. Size 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. The fourth style that we have for today is this peach muslin coordinate. It has barik embroidery on the neck, little bit of zari work, gota embroidery, sequence work, teamed with straight fit muslin cotton pants and a beautifully embroidered muslin dupatta. It's a contrast of white and peach, with peach detailing on all 4 sides, zari embroidery on all 4 sides and small booty all over the dupatta. Priced again at 1895, size 38, 40, 42 and 44. The next suit that we have for today is this beautiful cotton suit on very soft cotton. There is a kurta patti which runs on the front of the neck, with this sort of thread work and barik sequence work. It's a nice floral print which has a contrast lower with it, and the lower comes in this sort of a print. The dupatta is a soft cotton malmal dupatta with coordinated contrast prints. This particular set is priced at 1550. Size 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. This is again one of our favorites. We've done this style in cotton anarkali also, and now the same print has been used for straight kurtas with pants on soft ajrak printed fabric with beautiful neck work. It has this nice barik sequence to it which runs on the kurta patti like a panel. It has solid color maroon cotton pants with it and soft cotton malmal dupatta. The dupatta has this nicely printed border which runs on all 4 sides. This particular set is priced at $16.50 only. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. The next style that we have is again a soft cotton malmal kurta. We've kept them on a simpler fabric, but we've done some detailing to make it more dressy. You can use it for the festivals, you can use it when you're going for your Diwali gifting or for your puja, and these kind of pieces won't get blocked. So usually a lot of people say that we already have a lot of festive wear, but this is something which is festive also, yet you can use it on a day-to-day basis. It has this soft sequence with this sort of a neck work, straight fit cotton pants in pinstripe cotton fabric, and a beautifully printed floral malmal dupatta. The dupatta has this sort of a panel print on the sides. This particular style is priced at $18.95. Size 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. The next styles that we have are these nice peppy festive suit pieces, fully stitched. This we'd already showcased earlier, and this is a new color which has just been added. They're both very nice and lively for the festive season. This is like a color block pattern on a pink and red kind of ombre shaded on soft cotton malmal with beautiful embroidery on the neck, little bit of sequins, gota patti and detailing. It has straight fit cotton pants with nice gota edging to it and very soft cotton malmal dupatta. Again, it has a panel print of both fuchsia pink and nice red. Priced at $15.50 only. Size 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. In a nice orange to mustard color ombre with this sort of a neck work, soft malmal cotton dupatta which is again ombre shaded, and solid color printed pants. This is priced at $15.50 only. The next style is the style that I'm wearing for the day. This is on very soft chanderi fabric. Chanderi makes it look little more formal. It has beautiful embroidery on the neck. There is gota work, zari work, thread work with the smart button detailing. The print is a nice lively floral print on soft grey with contrast bright flowers on it, and it has this sort of sleeves detailing. It has solid color straight fit muslin cotton pants and a beautifully printed soft chanderi dupatta. The dupatta is also finished well with gota line and has this sort of print on the side. This particular style is priced at $19.95. Size 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. Those were all the straight fit styles that we had in store. To place an order, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp on 9811315915. For wholesale queries, please share your business card on the same number and share your requirement. We'll be more than happy to help you. We do not offer any COD facility, and the payment can be made through Google Pay, Paytm or an account transfer. We'll be back soon with more styles this festive season. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.